Learn English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Idiom Explained. An idiom is a group of words. Always there are two words or more, and the meaning of the words changes when the words are in a certain order. In English, we say, you can a horse to water, but you cannot make drink. What is this word? Lead. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink. The horse we change to it. My question is this an idiom? Technically, it is an idiom, but we don't usually call it an idiom. We usually call it a saying or a phrase. Bob uses a every day, right here, one of these, to use the TV. What's that called? A remote control. It is a noun, but it has two words. We call this a noun idiom, N-I-D. Jennifer goes to school every day. This means she doesn't go early and she doesn't go late. On time. She goes to school on time. This means she goes there at the correct time, not early and not late. The basic form is to do something on time. So, it is called an adverb idiom. Are you charge this office? This means, are you the boss? Are you the manager? Are you in charge of this office? It means, are you the leader? And the basic form is to be in charge of something. So this is an adjective idiom. In our program, we write adjid. What does Bob do every night? Bob falls asleep every night. Another idiom. This means he begins to sleep. He loses consciousness. And the basic form is... What is the basic form? Is it to or be? It is to fall asleep. Please repeat, I fall asleep every night. Change it to yesterday. Last night I fell asleep. Correct. Tomorrow night I will fall asleep. Correct. It is called a verb idiom. In our program, we just write vid. Thank you for watching, everyone. In the next video, I will talk about phrasal verbs. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.